type of way to describe what's going on there. But as far as today, though, the big story going into this weekend is going to be some cold temperatures, some wind on top of that, and a little bit of snow, a little bit of rain. Okay, so taking a look over 43 degrees. It's yeah.
Your accents are coming out too early.
It normally happens later in the morning, but hey, 43 degrees over Santa Monica. You're going to see some really cold temperatures out there. 10 degrees up at Big Bear. Wow, almost at the single-digit mark. 27 in Lancaster, 27 Wrightwood. Woodland Hills is 37 degrees, Fullerton 42 degrees. Now that's why we have a frost advisory in effect for the Inland Empire. Temperatures will, in many areas, not the whole region, will be in the 30s and even low 30s in some spots. That'll expire at about 9 o'clock. Then there's some pockets like Ojai and Calabasas that have a freeze warning in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. So those are some of those protected areas that don't really have the wind that helps kind of warm things up. Okay, I mentioned the wind as well. High wind watch in effect until overnight tonight into tomorrow evening. And so that's ahead of this system, or with this system, I should say, with 60-mile-per-hour gusts possible. 45-mile-per-hour gusts in the tan-colored area where they have a wind advisory. We mentioned rain as well. Well, here it comes. It'll be coming down California, bringing more snow to the Sierra, more rain to the Bay Area and Central California. How much will we get down here? Not as much. Watch the forecast model here. That does bring some snow to the Grapevine, maybe an inch, maybe 2 inches. Snow to Big Bear area, and then light scattered showers maybe towards Orange County, IE areas. But again, the chances are pretty low, so most people will just be dealing with some wind and some cold temperatures. The 7-day forecast for Los Angeles, Orange County shows nice conditions today, about 2 degrees below the average. Tomorrow, overnight, 10% chance of rain, so most people will not get anything. And then it turns into sunny skies after that. Temperatures at 59 degrees. They bump up just a tad going into Monday, stay in the low 60s, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Overnight lows in the low 40s. Then Thursday, Friday, we're tracking another system with a 30% chance Thursday, a 20% chance Friday. And temperatures will come down to about 59 degrees there. Valleys, Inland Empire, sunny, mild conditions today in the mid-60s, then dropping into the 50s going into tomorrow. Again, 20% chance of rain overnight into the morning hours. Then it turns sunny, windy conditions. Monday, sunny skies, and that continues through the rest of the week, but those overnight lows in the 30s. Beaches, elevated surf 2 to 5, then 3 to 5 tomorrow. Not like what we saw last week, but still keeping that in mind. Sunny skies, cold nights, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday before possibly another system comes through. Snow showers up at about 5,000 feet possible, 1 inch. Cajon Pass to Home Pass, Grapevine could be affected. Single-digit temperatures going into Monday, sunny, chilly. And then finally, the upper deserts here, you see the windy conditions going into Sunday. Chance of rain, but then sunny, cold nights leading through the rest of the week until the next one. So, Mark and Irene.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel. And download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.